To fix a deactivated DoorDash account, follow these steps. First, understand why your account was deactivated, which can happen due to various reasons such as violating DoorDash terms of service, low customer ratings, or account inactivity. Next, contact DoorDash support to appeal the deactivation. You can do this by visiting the DoorDash website and clicking on the Help tab. Then selecting Contact Us, and choosing the topic related to your account deactivation. Provide detailed information about your account and the reason for the deactivation. Be honest and take responsibility for any mistakes you made, and assure DoorDash that you will follow their guidelines in the future. DoorDash will review your appeal and may request additional information or documentation to verify your identity or business information. If your appeal is approved, your account will be reactivated, and you can start receiving delivery requests again. However, if your appeal is denied, you may need to wait for a certain period before reapplying or create a new account. To avoid account deactivation in the future, make sure to follow DoorDash terms of service, maintain high customer ratings, and keep your account active by regularly accepting delivery requests and completing them on time. By following these steps and best practices, you can fix your deactivated DoorDash account and continue working as a Dasher. It is essential to be patient and persistent throughout the process, and to provide accurate and detailed information to support your appeal.